Here's how to fix a flickering screen in Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right and go to Settings. In the search box at the top, type Acceleration and make sure Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on. Now, go to the address bar, clear everything after Chrome : and type Flags, then press Enter. In the search box on that page, type Graphics. Look for the option Choose Angle Graphics Backend. It will show as default. Click the drop-down and try changing it to D3D11 first. Click the Relaunch button at the bottom right to restart Chrome and test. If the flickering continues, go back to the same flags page and try changing it to D3D11 on 12 instead. Relaunch Chrome again after each change. One of these backend options almost always resolves screen flickering caused by graphics rendering conflicts. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.